Ready to transform your photos from so-so to stunning? Let's start by opening your chosen image in Adobe Photoshop first. We'll focus on color correction. This is where we fix any issues with the original colors. Notice how this image is a bit dull. Go to the Adjustments panel and select Levels. A Levels adjustment allows us to control the brightness and contrast of the image. Look at the histogram. The Levels graph helps us determine where the colors are and how intense the colors are. Dragging the white slider inwards will brighten the highlights, the gray slider adjusts the midtones, and dragging the black slider will darken the shadows. Experiment with these sliders to find the right balance for your photo. Watch as the photo transforms. Now, let's adjust the color balance. Select the color balance adjustment in the Adjustments panel. This is where you can warm up the image by adding yellows or oranges, or cool it down with blues and cyans. Adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlight separately to fine-tune the color palette. Subtle adjustments create the most natural look. Let's add atmosphere to our image using selective color. Use selective color to target specific colors in your image, like the reds in the sunset or the greens in the foliage. You can deepen these colors subtly or enhance them to achieve a desired mood. By mastering color correction and these atmospheric techniques, you can take your photos from ordinary to extraordinary. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun. Happy editing!